This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to speed up Windows. First, let's tackle startup programs. Open Task Manager, navigate to the Startup tab, and disable any applications you don't need running immediately. This significantly reduces your boot time. Next, use Disk Cleanup to remove temporary files and system junk. This frees up valuable space and improves overall responsiveness. Finally, consider adjusting visual effects for a snappier experience. Regular maintenance is key to a fast system. Ensure your operating system and all device drivers are always up to date. Updates often include performance enhancements and security fixes. Also, perform a full antivirus scan at least once a week to catch any malicious software that might be slowing things down. If you have a traditional hard drive, defragmenting it can help organize data for faster access. For even greater speed, let's look at advanced settings. Change your power plan to high performance to ensure your computer isn't holding back its processing power. If you're still experiencing slowdowns, consider a hardware upgrade. Increasing your RAM to at least 8 GB can make a huge difference for multitasking. The most impactful upgrade is often switching from a traditional hard drive to a solid-state drive. Finally, a few more tips to keep your system running smoothly. Regularly uninstall any programs you no longer use. They can consume valuable resources in the background. A simple restart can also work wonders, clearing out temporary files and refreshing your system's memory. Remember, consistent small actions lead to big performance gains. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals to enhance your daily life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.